Patrick Norgay, per Alias. Did you design for this company and what are you working on in general?
In general, I'm industrial designer, and this year we're working a lot with Alias. We started this collaboration 2 years ago. Last year we started to present the first prototype of the Kobe chair, and now the Kobe will represent this chair on Alias because this chair is on the market now. And after this presentation, we push the family of the Kobe around this product. This year I present different projects. The first collaboration for me with Cassina. In the past I start with the group and with Cassina, with Capellini and Poltronafrau. And last year Gianluca Armento, the Cassina, asked me to start a collaboration this year, and I present a big armchair for Cassina. Crystalia, it's another nice company. We started the collaboration together 3 years ago. And this year we present the Compass chair. It's a very interesting product. It's a mix with plastic injection and aluminum injection. Very basic and very pure and very atemporal project. And another company with Tacchini. I started with Tacchini 2 years ago, and this year we present a new version of jacket. It's one of the products we present last year, and now we push this new product for the outdoor.
With Alias, you are realizing also some projects for the contract sector, as McDonald's, you say.
Yeah, it's true. It's an accident for me. One day I received a call phone on my studio. It was the big boss of McDonald's. In France, McDonald's is the best model for the rest of the world. We spoke every time. The French food is excellent, but this is McDonald's who is the best in France. It's crazy, but that's life. And Jean-Pierre Poty, the boss of McDonald's, asked me to think about the future of McDonald's to design the interiors restaurant. I make this exercise. It was a success, and now McDonald's opened in Italy, in Switzerland, in Spain, all in Europe. This new concept of restaurant. And after that, McDonald's asked me to think about the future of the furniture for the outdoor around the restaurant. I start to design a big reflection about, because it's a space between different products like a chair, armchair, bench, light, all the products to create a space outdoor. And I start to connect different companies to produce, because if I want to conserve the quality of this project, I need to try the best company to produce. And I spoke with Renato, and Renato said yes, it's a good challenge, it's interesting. This is the DNA of my brand, like Alias. It's an industrial product, and we start together to develop this production. And now Renato have the market, and he produces for McDonald's in Europe all the furniture for the future of the restaurant. It's very interesting. It's an industrial product and project.
Really example of design for all.
Exactly, yeah, exactly. This is my job. I like to play and to move and to travel with different culture and with different market. When I'm working for Cassina, it's for other people like a chair for McDonald's. And for me there is no limit, because the people is the same. Okay, the money is different, but the spirit is the same. And this is interesting to understand the DNA and the culture of the different elements around my life.